given, that's how we live it. Don't be mad at the system, it's simply how we've existed. I hear a lot of people talking like they politicians and choose to be an accountant because it's safe in the business.
Hello my lovely and beautiful nail friends, welcome back to a new video on my channel. I know I don't post that much videos, but in this video I'll explain why. So in this video I'm doing a press on nail set with the Gershion gel. So while you enjoy the video, I will talk a little bit how my life is going right now. So you will hear my voice is a little bit crazy because I have a sore throat, but it's fine. So where do I start? I don't know. Just quick questions. What do you think of my intro? You like it still, or do you think I need a new one? If I have my new place, make a new intro. Let me know in the comments down below what you think. But we're gonna talk about my life update. So you all know I split up and sold my house, the house that I'm currently living in. Then I was looking for a new house. I asked the state to help me out because I have 3 kids and it's really hard in this district to get a house for a acceptable price. So that took a little bit of time, and the new owners of the house, the ones that bought this one, luckily told me I can rent this house from them for 3 more months. So I had 3 more months to look for a house. So the state helped me out a little bit, and I was looking on a particular website we have here in Holland for houses, and then one day there was a house. I was on place number 1 and I was waiting for an email to say yes, I want this house, and then the house was gone from the website. So I was like, what the, you know. So I called them up and there was a slight problem and all things like that. So the house was cancelled, fortunately. So a week later there was a new house online. I reacted to that one, but the key for the house I would get April 5th, but that was too late because the end of March I have to be out of this house. So a lot of appointments, a lot of phone calls, a lot of talking and everything, and after a while and a lot of mess and everything, I finally got a house. March 30 I will get the key of my new house. So I have 1 day to completely move everything from my current house to my new house, and that should be fun. So I'm already packing everything I can spare and everything I can miss I put in boxes. So my nail room is almost completely in boxes, so I don't have much to do videos with. And also I work full-time. Our country is complete lockdown, and also there's an evening curfew, so after 9 you can go outside. So it's really hard. And the 30th I get my key at 4, and then I need to grab a truck to move my stuff, and I do have to do everything before 9 because after 9 we can't go outside. And then 31 I have to collect the rest of my stuff and make sure everything is over. Then I have to clean this current house and give them back the key. So it's really messy and everything. So with the videos I just don't have the time. I'm packing everything, working full-time, taking care of 3 kids, with the curfew and everything, and my different shifts. 1 week I work mornings, the other week I work evenings and nights. So it's just a complete mess. And hopefully in my new house, it's really small, but I'm so happy I have a house. I won't have a nail room, so we have to be creative and fix me a place to do videos again, make a nice area to do videos. make a spot to store all my nail products, because I do have a lot. I will make videos of me moving, try to make update videos of how I store my nail stuff, how I sort them out and everything. Gonna try and keep you updated. Hopefully I have internet in the new house. Hopefully they will make sure it's there when I move in, but there is a chance I won't be having internet for a week, maybe 2 weeks or anything. So that's that. Also, I did the giveaway on Instagram. I didn't ship it out yet because of the lockdown. Next week I have night shift. I work all night and will be back home in the morning. We'll get some sleep, and then I'm gonna ship those prices out. So please, I'm sorry it takes a little bit longer, but it's all chaotic right now here, so hopefully you will bear with me. So another update, I do have a dog. I bought a puppy for my kids, a really sweet puppy. It's a Jack Russell. Her name is Belle, and my daughter wanted a puppy and didn't want to have one all these years, but finally I said yes. So we also have a puppy. I know, in this stress time, why do I have a puppy? Where did you get the time? But it's working out. So yeah, that's a little bit of my life update. I think March of 12 March, I don't know how to say, but my son will turning 2, so that will be fun. But with the lockdown and everything, we can't celebrate anything because people aren't allowed to come over. Yeah, one by one people one day. So I have to spread his birthday in a month and ask people one by one to come over. So we will see what happened there. So at this point, I'm just living out of boxes with a minimum of stuff, because everything is in boxes. If I look around at everything and all where I'm looking, I see boxes and everything, and I just want to start over. I can't wait to start over. I already got my paint, nice colors, and I want to throw a lot of things out and just get new stuff, just get a fresh start completely over. I love it. So I can't wait, and also I can't wait to show you, and when I'm completely done moving and make everything the way I like. So that is everything for my life update right now. I'm gonna rest my voice a little bit because it's hurting like crazy and I have to work tonight again. So hopefully I can make another video this week, maybe next week. So please let me know what kind of videos you want to see, what you want me to make. Also, my nails right now look crazy, and there was one person on one of my videos told me, your nails look horrible. My own nails, I know my own nails look horrible. That's why I wear fake nails, because in my stressy life, and I did this my whole life, I bite nails. So if there's no product on my nails, I will bite my nails. If there's no nail left, I will bite the skin. I will bite everything clean off my fingers. So that's why my own natural nail always look like a big mess, because I will eat everything there. And with everything that's going on, I cut my nails so they look horrible, really horrible. So hopefully I find some time to file these babies off, and hopefully I can film a video for you guys, me doing my nails, just a simple short nail, because of the moving that is coming up. So I really hope I find some time somewhere, somehow. So yeah, let me think what I can do next, what I can tell you. Well, make sure if you like this video, give this video big thumbs up. Tell me down below what kind of videos you want to see, if you like this video, and what you're doing right now in your life, if there's an lockdown in your country, and how you all cope with it. So for now, I'm gonna say thank you so much for watching my video. I'm grateful for every one of my viewers. You're so loyal and always watching my videos. I'm really happy to have you in my life, and I can't wait to be back completely. So thank you so much for being here, supporting me, and just be you. Hopefully I will see you in my next one. Bye.
Given, that's how we live it. Don't be mad at the system, it's simply how we've existed. I hear a lot of people talking like they politicians and choose to be